So welcome back students again. Now after discussion of the questions which involve the ages, now we will discuss the questions of area type. Sometimes area of rectangular field is given like this question number 12. And we have to find the conditions. We have to form the equations by finding the conditions. Then we solve them by any method, either in elimination or substitution or by crisscross method. This is not the way of, this is not the time to discuss the method. This is to for the discussion of formation of equation only. Now question number 12. Look at this. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square unit. So it appears that area, something is given about the area of rectangle. Its length is reduced by 5 units. Okay. And its breadth is increased by 3 units. Okay. So first of all, we will assume the length and breadth only for the question, for the rectangle given in the question. Let's assume that, right, in different lines. Length of rectangle be x meter and breadth be y meter. And one more thing, it is given that the area of rectangle gets reduced. So what was it originally? We have to write the original area also, as we have done in questions involving number of 2 digits. First we have assumed that number units, the digit is y, tens digit is x, number is 10x plus y. Similarly in this, length of rectangle x, breadth of rectangle y, and original area, we know that is length into breadth. Always write the formula. xy meter square. And don't forget to write the units even. Original area is xy meter square. Okay. Now, according to condition 1, what is given in condition 1? There is a change in length and change in breadth. According to first condition, you write length means new length. X was the original length. And what is the new length? Length is reduced by 5, means new length is reduced by 5. Original reduced by 5 means x minus 5 meter. And what is the breadth? So we write it new breadth. So what is the new breadth? New breadth is previous increased by 3 means y plus 3 meters. So new area will also be changed. What is the new area? And you do the mistake when you start writing this 9 square unit. Don't read this. First write the new area in terms of new length into new breadth. As we know that area equals length into breadth. So new area equals to new length into new breadth. That is x minus 5 into y plus 3. So one more. Now we will write the condition. Area of the rectangle gets reduced by 9 square meter. Before this, what was the area? So we'll say, I don't know. You know, you have written this. This is, consider this as the known quantity. Then only you will be able to solve. The original area was xy meter square and it was reduced by 9 square meter. It was reduced by, look at this, 9 square meter. Reduced by 9 square meter. According to question, so we write according to question, what is the new area? What is the new area according to question? Can someone tell? What is the new area according to question? It is obtained by original area reduced by 9, that is original area we have written xy. Yes, very good. And reduced by 9, so it becomes minus 9. So according to question, the new area is xy minus 9. So these two areas will be equal only, that is x minus 5 into y plus 3 equals to xy minus 9. Opening the bracket, x into y, xy minus 5 into y, 5y, plus 3 into x, 3x, minus 15 equals to xy minus 9. It implies xy cancelled out both sides. If we subtract xy from both sides, so minus 5y plus 3x minus 15 equals to xy cancelled out. So it is only minus 9. Read the term with x first, 3x. Term with y next, minus 5y. Equals to minus 15 is transferred to next side, plus 15. Minus 9. It implies 3x minus 5y equals to 6. Equation number 1. Okay. Then next condition, read the next condition. And its breadth is increased by 3 units. Okay, we have discussed this condition. Second condition, if the length is increased by 3, so new length is x plus 3. Breadth is decreased by 2, so the new breadth is y minus 2. The new area is length into breadth, so x minus 3. Length is increased by 3, okay. X plus 3, breadth is decreased by 2. Y minus 2, so the new area is new length into new breadth again, x plus 3 into y minus 2. When we discuss the second condition, we have nothing to do with the first condition. Forget this. When you form the second condition, forget the first condition. Read the second condition only. And according to second condition, so we write only according to second condition, new length. What is the new length? According to question, the new length is what is the new length according to condition? It is increased by 3. Original is x and it is increased by 3, means x plus 3 meter. And what is the new breadth? Original breadth was y and the new breadth is obtained when it is decreased by 2. So it is y minus 2 meters. So new area, again the new area, length into breadth, new length into new breadth. According to question, new area is the original area increased by 67 square units. Okay. According to question, new area is original area plus what? Plus 67. It means x plus 3 into y minus 2 equals to xy plus 67. And it implies, on opening the bracket, xy plus 3y minus 2x minus 6 equals to xy plus 67. xy cancelled out. 3y minus 2x equals to 6 is transferred to left hand side, 6 plus 67. So 3y minus 2x equals to 73. It implies 3y minus 2x equals to minus 73. Write the term with x first, term with y next, equals to minus 73 as the equation number 2. And now solve them to get the answer. You can use crisscross method also this time. The second column 3 minus 5. Third column minus 73 6 equals to y upon, repeat this column, minus 73 6. Next minus 2 3 equals to minus 1 upon minus 2 3 3 minus 5. It implies x upon 18 minus 73 5 is 365 equals to y upon 73 3 are 219 plus 12 equals to minus 1 upon 10 minus 9. So very easy it means. X upon 18 minus 365. So it is minus 347. Okay. Equals to y upon minus 207. Equals to minus 1 by 1. So x equals to, comparing first and third, 347 meter. Y equals to 207 meter at the same time. So the original length is x equals to 347. Original breadth is 207 meter. So calculations can be wrong also, but the method is correct. So let's check whether we have done the correct calculation or not. As sometimes the calculations may be wrong. Always remember, it's not a big deal that calculations are wrong, but the equations must be always correct and calculation must be correct actually. But discussing in this online classes, sometimes there are mistakes. So look at this. The first condition, area gets reduced by 9 if length is reduced by 5. To check it, length becomes 342. And to check it, okay, I am giving you time for this. And if there is a, I have seen that, okay, so you have to find the mistake also. Gets reduced by 9.